Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is one of my brand new listings. This is a like new 2018 Sea Ray 230 SPX. So the 23 has been a very popular boat for us. This particular boat has a lot of options on it. One's going to be your two-tone gel coat. Everything's in nice shape there. This one does have the big 200 horsepower Verado, super low hours on it. And as we go in, you've got a huge sun pad back here. So if you're gonna do some relaxing or stuff, very, very ideal. Ski pylons, so if you wanna do a little skiing or water toys, stuff like that, it's a lot of fun. And one thing you'll notice too, with the outboard, is you have a tremendous amount of storage in the back. Now I've got the cockpit cover in there right now. This one also comes with 2 cockpit tables. But since you don't have an engine here, you get a lot more storage. Storage underneath all your seats, dedicated storage for your cooler. Everything's very easy to get to. You've got the bolsters right here for the passenger and the driver. Good instrumentation here from Sea Ray. You also have a Garmin GPS, Rockford Fosgate stereo, enclosed head here. And then up front, very comfortable up here, nice and deep. So if you got passengers riding up here, it's a little choppy, gives everybody a nice, safe ride. So anyways, 2018 Sea Ray 23 SPX. Very, very clean, full factory warranty. The balance of it, 5 years, stem to stern. If you like any additional information, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw. I'm the listing broker. My phone number is 941-376-3345. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.